Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone background app refresh gray out turn on off in iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Solution number 2. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Solution number 3. Background app activity select allow. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap screen time. On the screen time page, tap content and privacy restriction. Scroll down, tap background app activity, select allow. Then go back setting page, tap general. On the general page, tap background app refresh. Background app is working. Thanks for watching this video.